history somehow repeats itself, and then somehow Pelosi ends up pushing it to March 26, where like Tesla had the unusual fucking option flow of like 975, and then stimulus and all this crazy
You
shit.
see, they're investigating Elon for Dogecoin.
Really?
That's such bullshit.
Wow. It's not going anywhere.
He's gonna fucking laugh at that.
Ebon just got like they're gonna be mining fucking Litecoin and Dogecoin.
Hard to say, Lavender. Can't predict stuff like that. AMC, GameStop, pushing after hours, you never know. They're bleeding right now, so I'd assume not.
Be ready for it if it does.
I still blame CCIV. The better VIX is the new Intel.
Is Intel flying? No, it's actually down there.
Third doji in a row where it's hitting that 20 EMA, Deja.
Which
6
one?
by the dip signals in a row on the 15-minute for GME.
What, GameStop? Send it.
Come on.
Could be a Head and Shoulders, though. It is struggling. You don't want to see it struggle here. You want to see it fucking pop.
What if everything just turns into a triple bottom?
I don't know if the patterns might be fucking memes on meme stocks.
It's all volume.
Yeah, it's like one neckbeard's like, what time did it pump yesterday? When did we get that super fat 15-minute candle? It was like seriously 15 minutes before close, right? Like fucking 2:45.
Yeah, it was like 3:30ish.
Yeah, 2:45.
Yeah,
2:45.
I got the notification to talk about that. Oh, exchanges are halting fucking GameStop and shit like that. Robinhood was trying to cover their ass.
Certain exchanges, not Robinhood, are limiting trading.
Right.
Bunch of boners. You said it was at 2:45, Smoochie, that we got that big candle, or 15 minutes before close?
Yeah, and today's biggest candle was 2:45 as well.
What do you mean?
Like, yeah. Actually, never mind. Sorry, that was 12:45. I'm sorry. Never mind. Oh yeah, you're in Chicago too. I'm at 2:45 Eastern.
Oh.
Bro, why the fuck is Bitcoin dumping?
Because dog shit.
Dog.
it's because the market's dumping.
That's how it works.
They correlate when they have big moves.
The
We could just all gamble on Bitcoin, really.
Dixie's all the way at fucking 90. What the? You see what I mean? 90.10. Like, what the? Who the fuck?
That might be the statement of the year, though, man. Instead of putting money in your savings account, just put it all in Bitcoin.
If you did it last year, you'd be doing pretty well right now.
True.
I wouldn't do it at 50K though. That's scary. That's really scary.
Yeah,
The fucking RSI is at 27 right now. It's being oversold as fuck. Yo,
They might dump on
Dude,
us after the market closes.
do you remember back in 2017, like when it was ripping and it was at like, it hit 20, pulled back to like 16 and a half or whatever. And then all those stories started coming out about people selling their fucking houses and taking out second mortgages and all that shit to throw in Bitcoin. I wonder if they ended up fucking actually holding.
That'd be a hell of a ride.
Right. If they made it through all that time, they'd be paid.
Yep. And if they didn't, now they're looking at the price and they probably fucking
Ugh.
sick to their stomach.
Right. We were
GameStop
right.
nuking.
Bitcoin was the way to go.
GameStop nuking, boys.
AMC is getting wrecked.
Yeah, I think
bro.
GameStop is the Head and Shoulders meme.
This all looks pretty bad.
Fucking memes.
Has to bounce here. This is the neckline.
The pivot, right?
Uh-oh.
I'm on a 5-minute.
Look at it, 15.
Is it 8:38?
Yeah, pivot here.
Seriously, if this thing bounces at fucking your guys, what, 3:15 your guys' or 3:45 your guys' time?
Dude, I don't think
Fucking
that's happening. There's no way that's gonna happen again.
Write a book on that shit.
Yeah, I somehow don't think it's. I'm losing faith.
Yeah, me too.
Sell.
This is a beatdown.
Positive thoughts,
boys.
but
Yeah, where's the
So-
GIF? Where's the GIF at? You guys are getting a little negative.
Sell.
Where's the
I
GIF?
have positive thoughts.
Here's
No,
the
I
GIF.
have more in than I'm willing to lose.
I wish you were able to do like private transactions for options. Like, Coolest wants to sell his
Yeah,
because he doesn't
send me
think.
his
And I
options.
just fucking
How sick would that be if you could really do that?
I just negotiate him down like, yo, bro, I'll give you fucking $500 for that contract.
Should just be like
it's like right now, I'll
counter
pay you
where can do
500.
that.
It's bouncing off that neckline, literally to the tick.
Stock bag.
Sell, boys.
What?
If you don't believe, sell.
Wait, which
Down
one was that?
5K.
GameStop.
GameStop
Like Davey
was
said yesterday, like Davey said the other night, man, power of the fucking internet.
Yeah. Well, the thing is, like, I feel like even if it gets a little wrecked up, like today and tomorrow, I think eventually, like, in the not too distant future, we'll see like $12 on AMC
Go-
because I don't think it's as much
Oh.
a meme. Like they're opening their theaters and shit.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you definitely got a better
You see what
chance
I'm
of
saying?
AMC.
Like that's kind of why I did it. But of course, that's the one that pumps the least hard.
Whoa, what the hell
Yeah.
happened to GameStop? I mean,
All
yes.
of them took a bath.
Number go
it
down,
just nuke?
please. Number go down.
Wow.
nuke harder?
It's
At the end of the
nuking.
day, just kill me.
Uh-oh.
I'm down 5% on the day,
Give us a
dude.
bounce,
Fucking
come on.
rest in peace.
Dude, NASDAQ's down 3.5%.
Yeah, that's huge. Wow.
Wow. It doesn't usually happen when it runs up that
Wow,
much on a
people.
bounce. And there's no
The
news.
only thing I did good this week was short CCIV. Should just fucking picked up shorts on everything.
Yeah.
Turned
Dude,
myself
I
into
said
Johnny
it the other
Quits.
day, and
Yeah,
then like this
yeah,
threw
yeah.
me off completely. The day
Well, we got
before
that.
the market-
We had a nasty pop like the last 15 minutes of closing yesterday, where we made a lot of fucking money.
If I were
Yeah.
you, I would close the
VIX is
Yeah.
at 30.
I would close your CCIV shorts because it's putting in the right shoulder of a inverted head and shoulder.
Nah, I was gonna add more to the shorts. I was practically making money off of shorts every single day. CCIV is practically VIX. In my opinion, it hurts Tesla, so Tesla goes down, SPY goes down. Like, you're practically inverse right now.
Those VIX contracts that I had are still barely priced in. They're only up $40 from where I bought them.
How is that
Dude, I don't see
possible?
how that's possible, man.
It's just absolute dog shit.
That should be illegal.
Like, why is that even like, able to be traded if it moves like that? Like, who the fuck would even buy that kind of shit?
That's bullshit. You should be making bank on that.
I already closed it. They can fuck off. Not trading that shit anymore. Literally called the bottom on VIX. I even called the exact price. I bought the 30s. I should
This was
be up
VIX or VXX?
VIX, like the actual VIX. I should be up.
VXX moves.
I should be I should be up, let me see. 60 times. I should be up over 100%. If I still had those right now, they should be up over 100%. They're only up. Let me see. 8%. That should be a crime. If only I took SPY puts when I took that VIX trade. Fuck me.
I made more money sports betting this week than I have in the market.
I literally just said that to my buddy I went to lunch with because I lost money this week in trading, so I could have made $1 on sports betting, and I would have made more money. So I'm right there with you, man. I'm a sports gambler now. We should have known this was coming. We made so much money at the start of the year. You have to give some back, you know what I mean? With the good comes the bad.
Well, I've given too much.
Yeah, I hear you, Connor. My donations are fucking done. I'm done giving donations to the market.
I've only given back like a quarter.
Same
of what
here.
I made.
Yeah, same here.
About a quarter of what I made on CCIV and everything else.
A quarter is too much. I'd prefer it being a nickel.
Still have enough for that
After
car
today, I'm
sees.
like a little under 20% back, unfortunately, but could have been worse. And like, I mean, shit. Only
Fuck, if
given,
we all would have taken that GameStop trade yesterday, we'd be sitting pretty.
dude, I was in it and I sold it early, and then I held.
And we would have bought contracts. We would have just been like, yeah, fuck the whole 2 weeks I just passed.
Oh, I still
I
have my
really messed up this AMC trade.
That's
still have
why
my
that's why
money.
none of this shit should bother you. Because we've called out how many trades fucking this year that literally one of those trades, we hit one of those trades again, and it makes up all the losses the last 2 weeks.
Exactly.
We hit one of those pennies again, 2 weeks worth of losses wiped out instantly. You just got to keep your losses small. Biggest thing in trading.
Smallish.
Yeah, that's one thing I always say that's one of the biggest things I've learned is that I make the most money off my losses.
Yep.
Meaning minimize your losses will make your gains that much more.
Focus on your losers a lot more than you focus on your winners, and you'll be a better trader.
Because your losers will teach you something, and if you can minimize them, they'll they'll make your P&L better.
Yeah, your drawdown is all you got to worry about.
Yeah, head and shoulders in the 15-minute CCIV.
Dow Jones completely retraced the entire day yesterday. This is what happens when you have a tech-heavy market. The growth sector is in complete control. When growth starts to hurt, it starts to bleed everything else. are the value ETFs doing? Even the value ETFs are pulling back because the whole market's dying. Not bad though. 1.25, 1.5. PLTR down another 10%. Jesus Christ.
Sir, only up, please.
What's PLTR at?
24.
Yeah, it just sunk under. It might go back and test like 22.
Stunk. Fucking posted about chicken tendies and AMC. That's funny, dude.
Damn, they put that tweet out at 3. They must know something.
Holy crap, we got 10 hockey games today. Wow.
Man, giving back my gains on Ford kind of hurts. I was up big on Ford.
I cut that off this morning. I should have cut off more.
Hey Deja, can you check your DMs real quick?
I'm reading it right now. I'm waiting on you.
All right, I'm hopping off voice, so I'll just you'll have to respond via text.
Gotcha. Yeah, this Q's chart is very scary. Same with the SPY chart.
I don't like any basketball games today. And I always lose. It's my biggest loser out of everything I bet on.
Last time Q's lost its monthly Vwap, it went down 6.5%.
Oh dear. Sounds serious.
It also lost it and then went down 3.5, 3.25.
Is it 5 o'clock anywhere for anyone on this call? Because I'm about to get a beer.
I think you need something stronger, to be honest.
All right, I'll whip out the peanut butter whiskey. By the way, have any of you tried that? It's fantastic.
I don't like whiskey, to be honest.
You would like peanut butter whiskey.
Casamigos.
Smoochie. Look the picture I posted. Like basketball, my worst. Everything else, I've at least won something except for basketball.
AMC posted about 10 days.
Chicken tendies.
In the sports
you can't see
betting
the
channel.
obvious sign. I mean, they posted that at 3:00 too.
Soccer and hockey. NFL was okay, but basketball, I've even won a little bit on NCAA, but basketball's been horrible for me.
Just follow my basketball bets.
Where is that chart? Is that your own personal tracking?
That's from the last week.
From what app? Like, what's tracking that?
Action Network website.
Oh,
When
I'll
you
find
click
mine.
on,
One sec.
if you click on the far right, My Action, it'll bring up your analysis, and then you can select 1 year, 1 month, 1 week, 1 day. This is from the last week. I've lost money every single time I played basketball, but hockey I've won a decent amount, and then soccer has been my biggest so far. I'm at a 38% win rate right now.
Davey Day Traders streaming for the bell. Is he gonna pump some people up?
Damn, I bet he got smoked today. Because he was trying
Hashtag
to
one of
eat
us.
stuff early. I want to see his stream.
I don't see how Costco goes much lower.
Oh, I do. Look at SPY. You really don't think it's going to break this level that it's at?
I just
Costco?
I don't see how it does. It's the most extended it's almost ever been.
On what?
And it's a good company. They should destroy earnings, but we should see. We'll see.
Who are you talking about?
Costco.
Oh, Costco.
Literally, you could go back 5 years. This is the
They're
most
five.
extended volume-wise it has ever been.
They're 5 days fucking ugly, though. Look at it.
Oh, it's horrendous. I agree. It's trash.
Even the monthly looks pretty ugly, especially in the last 2 weeks.
I found something pumping. Workhorse, WKHS. It's pumping right now.
I wouldn't touch him with a 10-foot pole.
No way. I'm not
Fucking gonna
touching
bleed to
a
zero.
growth or momentum anything.
Davey doesn't look so good. Are y'all watching this?
Is it bad? Is he sweating?
He's like listening to depressing ass music.
Workhorse was halted too. Now it's unhalted. It's interesting.
Must be news related.
The weekly on Costco, the 8 just crossed below the 21 for the first time in like fucking 2 years.
That's ugly, right?
Yeah, they're
Pretty bad.
spiking because of report from House Democrats to stop U.S. Postal Service contract with Oshkosh.
Oh, they're trying to kill the Oshkosh deal?
Yeah.
That would be really good for Workhorse.
Kathy was a buyer
Yeah,
yesterday.
that's why it's moving right now. Did they have earnings this morning? Oh, never mind. They're the first.
Dude, a lot of these charts look really bad. I'm really close to hitting the fucking sell all button.
Holy crap, it's getting worse.
I'm looking at the monthlies and weeklies on a lot of these charts, and they just look terrible. How do the sectors look?
This is SPY low a day right now. He broke 382.
If XLF and like hospitality starts coming down, the market's going to fucking get destroyed. Because those are the only sectors holding it up right now.
Energy is too. You got to watch oil and energy.
Yeah, oil,
utilities,
travel.
oil, travel, and banks.
Yeah. Energy and banks, if they start pulling back, hospitality is going to follow oil, and the market's going to follow everything.
Wow, I hate to sell right here.
No, I'm not selling today. I would have to sell tomorrow. I don't sell on days like today.
Hopefully we don't get wrecked after hours. This is... Ooh. Jesus. The last
What's near term support, Deja, on SPY? 381's pretty big level, right?
Yeah, 381, 380, 377. It looks like it wants to go for a gap fill, which is pretty bloody. 377.
Yeah.
Another 4 points.
That's like another, what, 1.25%?
Yep, 1.25. Already corrected about 8% on Qs from the all-time high. SPY has corrected about 3.25. So if this was a bearish pullback, we're not even getting started yet. SPY can easily pull back 10 to 15. Qs can pull back 20.
CCIV's falling.
Everything is falling.
I should have sold calls on silver and Ford like I was talking about this morning. Only reason I didn't is, like I said this morning, I hate counter trading myself.
All right, breaking out the shot glass. Let's go, boys. GME is down to 120.
AMC
shot glass. Need a shotgun.
Jesus
Christ.
Christ.
Keep good vibes only. Yes, yes, yes.
Hey, I think alcohol is a great thing.
Holy fuck.
Smoke some fucking weed. Calm the nerves, the tits.
I can't smoke weed until my kid goes to bed, but I'll drink alcohol.
Well, you can, but you'd be a really bad dad.
Yeah, I'd probably still be fine. He just started walking a week ago, so it's okay.
We're holding our fucking balls.
Why am I holding?
Yeah, this little dude just started walking last week and took 2 steps, and now, like yesterday, he's basically just running around the whole house. It's terrifying.
He took 2 steps and now he knows what weed is. It's all downhill from here.
As long as he doesn't get to the garage out back, we're good.
What the fuck is going on?
We're getting massacred is what's going on.
Positive thinking, sir.
We're repeating history. It's called the February Nukes. Scroll back to SPY of last year. Look at from
February is historically one of the worst months.
Yep, and we recovered in March, end of March. So we're bearish for now. Until we're not, right? Yeah. This is healthy. This is gap filling. Pullback.
Ain't nothing healthy about this, Johnny.
This ain't healthy, Johnny. I'm down 6%.
Yeah, Johnny.
This is healthy. We must see some
I
type
love
of
Johnny's
pain.
optimism. I
Johnny,
really
if I was
do.
down 2%, I'd be with you. I'm down 6%.
This is not the fucking time.
Dude, you've been
I'm
12
down
Wu-Tang
6%
sounds like
right
he's
now.
dying.
It's fine. Like, we're gonna get back up in 2 days. Or probably a day. You never know.
Or a month.
Why didn't I get into cash?
The vibes.
If I just sold the open in the market, I'd be up a ton of money.
The contrast between yesterday's stream when everyone's making money on GameStop to now is exceptional.
Dude, you guys want to hear something wild?
What's up? Hit me with it.
So I'm talking to this managing director right now on Bloomberg, and I was like, "Hey, do you have a couple minutes?" He's like, and like this never happens on Bloomberg. He goes, "Can I get back to you? My fund is underwater right now." They probably had a fucking 5% day or some shit, maybe worse.
Dude, even hedge funds are getting hammered today.
Oh yeah.
I mean, how could anybody not? There's not much that went up today.
Yeah, days like
VIX
today.
is high today.
Days like today, you guys have to understand, it's part of the game. You're gonna have it.
Wow, Tesla's down almost 10%.
Yeah.
Johnny, you buying this dip on Tesla?
I mean, my contract is only down 20. Hold on. %30 on Tesla. I'm down 30% on my Tesla contract.
Yeah, it was a rough day, Mucky. When literally every position I was in this morning was green, and now it's the inverse.
Here's this. I'm only down 30%, and it's $1,000 strike.
That's what you call a fucking trap, is what happened to us this morning. The whole market looked good, then it got decimated.
We have 20 minutes left. It's not done yet.
It's done, Johnny.
No.
We might have tomorrow to save us, but today's slaughtered.
We have a whole day tomorrow. We can see this shit go straight the fuck up, and everybody's gonna be happy and be like, "Oh, yesterday was history." You know what I mean?
The combined indexes are down over 10%.
Yeah, that's fine. It's fine. It's healthy.
Yeah, I think it is a gap fill, to be honest. I think SPY's going for the gap, 377. Those VIX contracts are doing decent, nowhere near what they should be doing. I think this is the nastiest single day sell-off we've seen in months. Let me see. What are we down today? We're down 2.5, little 2.6. Yeah, this is the nastiest single day sell off we've seen since October 28th. And then September 3rd.
All right, I'm at Johnny's level now. Just took 2 shots of whiskey and a hit of weed, and I think the next month is going to be good.
It will.
Yeah, man, this is all just gonna be history. Nobody's gonna remember this. It's just
Markets perpetually go up. It's just how many dips can you buy before it just keeps dipping?
I mean, I did say, Biden in America. Johnny puts.
Hey, SPY is bottoming, man. Dragonfly 5-minute confirmation on this 5-minute. Love to see it. This is the bottom. All-time high
Now,
next.
This is exactly what's gonna happen. So we're gonna start getting some stimulus talks and stuff like that. It's gonna be some good news over the weekend,
There
like
was a lot
always.
of bullish news today, actually.
And then Monday, is gonna be Green Monday once again, and then we're gonna be cheering on because you know what's happening on Monday? Neo earnings. All right, look out for
Neo's
that.
gonna bring the entire market up. I hear you.
Yeah, Neo's gonna bring SPY to fucking 410 easy.
Hey, hold on. Do you guys remember when Neo went straight up and it was the only stock that was going straight up?
Yeah.
And fuck.
That's Monday?
No, I was gonna say, remember when Neo was just skyrocketing and was making a bunch of money and SPY was just bleeding? Neo
I'll give you
just went
10K
straight
if
up.
we get to 400 next week, Johnny.
Bro, that's easy.
What, dude?
Easy.
400.
Bro, Apple's gonna go
Is
straight
somebody
up.
Somebody's
Apple's gonna
buying
go
those
straight up.
contracts.
is somebody recording this conversation?
It's on stream. It's being recorded.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's on stream.
perfect.
It's on stream. You can't finish this.
The $400
Everybody's gonna hear
calls
this.
for next week are only a quarter right now.
What the fuck did you guys do to the market? I go away for a little bit. You guys fucking tank.
We're slapping it around.
Well, we
C-Note.
had no lot lizard talk today, which is typically
We
bearish.
ran out of
Got fucked
KY.
out
That
of the
is
ass,
true,
Johnny.
Johnny. This C-Note. Yeah, this is your fault, dude. It's the first day you haven't been talking.
Bro, you got extra lube this time.
Cocaine and lot lizards are cheaper than the fucking stock market.
Yeah, Dom, that's what we're looking at. 377 gap fill. With
fuck,
monthly
we're
VWAP.
We're bouncing.
That's the
Yeah,
bottom.
it's fake. Yeah, it's fake.
That's the bottom,
Yeah,
guys.
Premiums are going up.
You heard it here
Premiums are
first
going
on stream. That's the bottom.
This is
All you
optimism.
banana doubters.
Optimism. We gotta see some blood.
That's the
Some blood.
pop.
2 days of
You,
blood.
you
Don't be
guys,
like
you guys who
Dime.
have been in the Discord since the beginning, we've been through how many of these fucking crashes? We had the one in October. We had the one in September. We had the one in fucking July. We had the one in January. Ain't nothing new.
Dude, if you've been trading
We
for any
are
period of
fucking
time,
apes.
this shit happens.
Ain't nothing new.
Nothing.
It sucks, and then you come back the next day and you do better, or try to.
You just gotta laugh through it. Now, if it gets worse than like 10%, it's probably time to liquidate everything.
Seriously, everything's starting to climb.
I'm not selling a fucking
I'm
thing.
not fucking
I got
selling.
you, Johnny. I
Thinking
got a
about
gift. I
putting
got a
it
gift for you.
Johnny.
Hold
To
on.
be honest.
Love you, Johnny. Or both Johnnies.
Where'd my gift
Everything's
go?
climbing.
Here you go, C-Note. I got you.
That's what memes are invented for.
What would we do without them?
Dude, are you kidding me? I don't know how I would have gotten through so much of crypto without that stupidity.
I've been far more leveraged than this on a
Dude, I've been like totally liquidated so
Tesla's
many
bouncing.
times.
I remember early Johnny days here when he'd have a bad day.
I'm not
C-Note, you've come a
fucking
long way.
thing.
Like being down 10% or something.
C-Note, you were trading the
First time I
pennies
know
with
it's
us, weren't you?
bad. Don't get me wrong, but that's not shit compared to what happens in crypto.
Made some good money on pennies.
Yeah, we made it. That's the thing. All this is fucking winnings anyways that I don't deserve.
There was times when I first started trading, I was down 90% of my account, and I came back up every time. I'd be like, "Yo, well, what do I have to do next?"
I'm only
What type
down
of designer
5%
shit?
now. We're already recovering.
Yeah, we're recovering. This is the bottom, baby.
Under
Bottom.
10, what's up?
15 minutes, 12 minutes, 13 minutes left till bell. I'm telling you guys, watch.
Now's the
Good
time
bounce.
to buy good companies, right?
I was thinking about buying Qs, but it fucking lost that VWAP, so I don't know if I can. If Qs reclaims its VWAP tomorrow, I'll buy a diagonal on it.
Yeah,
What,
but I
what,
Maybe not right now. They're right this
what if it
second. But
reclaims
down
it
here.
after hours? How about that? Then it'll be too late.
Right now, hopefully, it's time to buy Costco, but Costco doesn't seem to think so.
You still on Costco?
Yeah, I put a third of my account into Costco. Yeah, I'm in Costco.
I drove by one the other
Costco
day
is
and I
probably
thought about you.
Costco is probably the reason I'm down 5.5%. You can't win all the time.
Chill the fuck out. Go get yourself a lot lizard. Smoke a doobie. And fucking relax. We're coming back.
Johnny bag of money, baby.
where you been all my life, Johnny?
McDonald's coming back though. Mickey D's.
That's because everyone bought McDicks today because it's the only recession-proof thing in
It's
the
the only
fucking
thing you could
market.
afford today if you wanted to go to lunch.
Tesla's at 688. Let's fucking do this. From 672 to 688. We're going straight up. It's only up.
It has bounced 4 points almost. SPY has.
Tesla goes up, SPY goes up, everybody's happy.
Johnny and his big fucking.
You cut off, so we can only use our imagination.
I said, Johnny and his. Man. Johnny and his big fucking balls. That's what I said.
Hey,
Better than I imagined.
it's a Johnny's thing, you know what I mean? Steal.
It's funny, you like look at the numbers and you think this should really be upsetting, but
Dude, the expected move on Qs going out to April is disgusting. It goes all the way down to 286 and all the way up to 341. They're expecting massive volatility on this thing.
We really should be in put. I mean, why aren't we in puts?
I
Cashing out?
fucking was in VIX and I gave up on it because it wasn't paying me.
Yo, so
I should have
June
taken SPY puts. I called the fucking top of SPY and the bottom of VIX.
Yeah, I mean, did we see it? We should have been in puts, fucking cashing out.
Yeah.
So June 18th, $500 strikes. $500 strike SPY has 2,000 open interest. 5 cents. SPY 500 from June? Bullish month?
Easy, Johnny.
5 cents for June?
But 500? Holy shit. I don't know. You might be onto something.
2,800 open interest? Why? 2 people are in it. Volume, 2 people.
Remember we chased a couple of those, though, and got fucked.
No, but we're talking about June.
Enough for 5 cents, though. That's worth a shot on a few.
Definitely did not see AMC having a 10% down day.
Dude, it's got 1.25 million options today.
yeah, that's what's surprising is there's
Yeah,
there
I
was
don't
volume.
understand what is going on.
It's just a fucking
get
meme, dude.
what's
It's all volume.
Who was
When the
selling
bros
all?
when the bros decide to sell, it goes down.
I think that was maybe a setup where they started pumping them, got everybody jumping in, and then fucking liquidated them. Was GameStop down?
Yeah, they're all getting hammered. GameStop went up this morning, but it didn't break out or anything.
Well, it's pretty comfortable being in shares. I used to be in options.
Oh,
and
I
I'd be
know.
Don't
If I was in
criticize
options right
Huss's
now, I'd be getting
burrito.
fucking massacred.
I
I'm
don't
in
know about
options on a few
options.
things, but the biggest positions I have are shares.
I don't even know how I got into options again.
most of the companies I like long term anyway, so I think that's a good strategy.
I'm honestly
I
thinking
heard
about never selling
options are not
Costco, dude.
shares.
I might fucking take a beating on this thing.
That's a great fucking company.
I might take puts to protect my shares through earnings, but besides that, I think I'm gonna hold on to them through this dip.
They pay dividends, and their options are enough money where you could sell them and collect pretty good premium.
Yeah, I'm thinking about that.
I think they pay dividends.
They do.
Wonder how many offerings SOS is going to do. This is like their third this week.
I'm still in long term. This shit. They're offering. Hey, at least.
Me
people
too.
like-
I'm not selling. Fuck it.
I'm not fucking selling.
I got them fucking spies 500. June. They went from 5 cents to 8 cents. Hey, not bad.
At least it's sunny out. I can see my lawn now for the
Got
first
that
time
going
in
on
like
for
3
you.
weeks.
I just housed a medium pizza. It was pretty good.
So I said to the dolly, half the people in here probably don't even know that reference.
I'm so excited for 4 o'clock.
Yeah. I've never wanted to be saved by the bell so much in my life.
I'm hitting a
Holy
bowl right
shit,
now.
I'm
dude.
going up now a little bit.
I need to open this fucking this pen I just bought. Jesus. I got some strawberry banana.
I feel so exposed being in options after market hours. If I just bought shares on all this stuff, I would have cashed out easy.
Cali
All of a sudden,
gold,
I
baby.
start- Every time I buy
Nice.
options, I get fucking screwed, man. I gotta stop buying them.
I got the Queen Mother Goji.
Hey, these spies.
I got Cali gold, straw
They
banana.
went from 5 cents to 9 cents. We're doing something.
Make sure my pen's charged right now.
There you go. That's the spirit.
Lemon drop, baby.
Yeah, the boy.
Anything lemon is good. Lemon's really uplifting. Lemon terps are like super uplifting for your mood.
Lemon
Yep.
haze, fire.
Yeah, I have some lemon cheesecake dabs. I'm gonna go take one.
Bruh, I had some blueberry cheesecake. Bruh.
I love blueberries. I used to grow blueberries when I was a kid. One of my favorite strains.
Bruh, it was like fucking like light ass green, bro. It tastes good as shit.
Maybe this is a telling investment opportunity here. We should all look at the pot stocks.
Have you guys ever
Honestly,
bought
yes.
blueberries at the grocery store? They're freaking expensive.
Yeah, I have some.
You just asked if we bought blueberries.
Going to a
Because it's off season.
I'm going to a town hall meeting
funny,
next week
Cease.
on the first medicinal cannabis store in my
Have
town,
you guys
New Jersey.
ever bought blueberries?
Bullish.
TerraSend is the company.
In all seriousness, how hard did cannabis stocks get wrecked today?
This thing's got a black tip on it too. It's pretty nice.
Got wrecked like everything else did.
You like that better than a white tip?
I had the white tip was the old one.
That was a dick joke.
Sorry.
Yeah.
It matches the market today.
MJ's down 6.5%.
I was just looking at it. I think it has some more room to go, though. Maybe like another 20%, 30%. No, I mean like 2 or 3%.
Wow.
I would've
Spotify
bought some MJ.
down $30.
I think if this is a really good dip buying scenario, It's not today. I think tomorrow is the day. Buy before the weekend.
Look at
Bought a
Netflix.
little bit of
Always,
MJ because whatever. I mean, it's a real small bag. Just while I'm thinking about it.
look at Netflix. Always fucking strong like bull. Always. I miss trading Netflix, bro.
Balls
Paul,
has
the
his.
hash looks nice, but you got Robin Hood pull up behind
He's
you.
got
I feel
Robin
like.
Hood on GME puts though, dude. He's got balls. Damn, you could have taken puts when it lost that fucking neckline.
Is JMA getting buried on that option right now?
He's
I know he's
getting
playing with
buried while
profits.
buying a fucking Louis Vuitton, dude. He's getting buried twice.
He don't give a
Yeah, but
fuck.
dude, he crushed it on this.
He made like 50 grand today. He doesn't care.
Yeah, exactly. JMA is like that too. I guarantee he goes to a fucking ball and dinner tonight or tomorrow
Oh
too. We'll
yeah,
get
he's gonna,
pictures in the
he's,
Discord.
yeah, he's
He's
gonna be
about to
posting some
feast.
steaks.
Yeah, for sure.
Enjoy yourself while you fucking can. Everybody's always saving for later, but like, you know, if you don't enjoy yourself, what's the fucking point?
One minute until we're
I
saved
think
by the bell, boys.
I think we're gonna be up either overnight or tomorrow during the day, but it's going back up.
Let's go.
Caesar, those contracts are finally priced in, and I'm up 30% on the SPY ones that I sold.
Finally?
Yeah, fucking finally. It took a bloody day for them to price in.
That is like we're on the world's biggest bulldog right now.
Yeah,
Like
we didn't hit the bottom tick of what is that, Tuesday?
Yeah, like it's
Yeah, it ticks
pretty.
Tuesday. We're at 380 or 380.25.
The problem is that all those days that we sold off a little bit before today, VIX never priced in, right? Because they didn't believe it. VIX is pricing in now. They believe this.
Yeah, we didn't even hit 20 on the daily. On the weekly, we didn't even. We bounced off the 10. Looks like.
There it is, boy.
Amen.
Yeah, we
Dude,
never got
I
to
hope everyone's
50.
doing all right.
Do I even ask green or red today? Oh,
Let's
It
go.
was the week
Only
either,
down
please.
4K. Let's fucking do this.
It was the week that crushed me. I
I knew Zach was waiting to fucking click that green button, you little piece of shit.
Yeah, that was funny.
what is Zach traded today? What'd you trade, Zach?
Zach scalped the fucking 800s on the weeklies for
Oh, he was
GameStop.
on GameStop. You were the guy who posted about it. Good shit, Zach.
No thanks to me. It's not like I texted him about that at 12:30 a.m. last night.
Wow, I got bent the fuck over.
Yeah, I'm down. I'm down close to 6% today. Biggest red day in the past 2 years.
Yeah, this is the worst red day I've had in a long time. But whatever, fucking shit happens.
I'm only down 234.
It's a good day, CS. I wish.
Still green on the year by probably about 30%, but I'm down the biggest amount I've been in fucking shit more than 2020.
You know what recovered some of my losses? Selling the 800 GameStops on that pump earlier.
I'm not high, Huss.
I sold it when it went up to like 176, I think, is where it was when I sold the 800.
I think this is the first time I've seen more emojis on the green or red.
You gotta laugh through the pain, man.
Fucking handicap ones. Oh
Bro, look at AMC.
What's it doing?
AMC's up crazy after hours.
GME is too. It's moving. Not really.
Crazy. What fucking, you looking at 1 minute?
It's up like 20 cents.
Nah, it
30
was
second
fucked
chart.
up. Yeah, it was fucking wrong on the broker.
Got me excited for a second. I thought I wasn't gonna be poor anymore.
No, we're all poor, dude. We gotta talk about what our favorite ramen is.
Tonkatsu with that
Marushan?
I held
Fucking done.
I like
a
Marushan.
100-year-old egg, please.
Yeah, I'm calling it, guys. I don't want to look at these fucking charts anymore.
You gotta get the corn and then
I don't know.
You
If you
guys
want, like,
break
if
them?
you're talking fancy ramen, I like the, was it the shoyu ramen?
You
Yeah,
guys
soy
break
sauce.
them, or do you eat them all?
Break them up.
You got to break them up, right?
Only yeah,
You just
certain
do it like a
ones,
brick,
certain ones. If
like
it's
breathe
like
in.
if it's like other noodles, I'll leave them. But
The cured egg is the most amazing part.
Yeah, exactly.
all right, guys, I'm calling it. Fucking red day. Hopefully we bounce back tomorrow. If not, we'll bounce back next week.
How is it not Friday already?
I will be streaming 3 p.m. Eastern tomorrow, same time as always. Analysis tonight, same time as always. It'll be decently early, not too late. And then I'll see you guys tomorrow, 9:30 a.m. You guys have a good one. Peace.